Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2014 for 1 mark. The question is, consider the directed graph given below, which one of the following statements is true. So, they are talking about topological ordering with respect to this graph. Okay, so let's firstly find out what are the topological orderings for this graph. See, as per the direction, we can see that P should come before Q and P should come before R. Okay, now here we can see that S should come before Q and S should come before R. So what we are saying that P should come before Q and R, and S should also come before Q and R. Okay. What about Q and R? Among Q and R, there is a relationship that R should come before Q. So R should come before Q, that is given. This much is given. But among P and R and Q, we just know that P is coming before R and Q, and S is also coming before R and Q, and we don't have any information about in P and S which one should come before and which one should come after. So as per that, we can create a topological ordering. So in that sense, we can have a topological ordering which is something like this. So let's say we set P and then S and then R and Q. So here the R is coming before Q, that definition is condition is satisfied. Now what about P is definitely coming before R, and P is definitely coming before Q. Similarly, S is coming before R and S is coming before Q. So all the conditions are satisfied. So this is a topological ordering, P, S, R, Q. Are there any other possible topological orderings? Yes. See, as we discussed earlier, that P and S, we don't have any information about their relative ordering. So we can have something like this also. So if we have S, P and R and Q, then okay, R is definitely coming before Q. But here also P is coming before R and P is coming before Q, and S is coming before R and S is coming before Q. So all the conditions are satisfied here also. So S, P, R, Q, that is also topological ordering. Now let's see the options. The graph does not have any topological ordering. Wrong. We have just seen there are two topological orderings. Both P, Q, R, S and S, R, P, Q. No, these are not topological orderings. Both P, S, R, Q and S, P, R, Q are topological orderings. That is exactly what we discussed here. P, S, R, Q and S, P, R, Q, these are the topological orderings. P, S, R, Q is the only topological orderings. No, there is another topological ordering, this also. Okay. So, the answer is C.